Welcome to Blogging 101. The purpose of this tutorial is to teach you how to post a blog to your blog. This is a typical blog. It's a WordPress blog, as WordPress is easily used to create a blog that is also serving as a website. It also can be a valuable resource for you to give information to your clients, to post useful tools, tips, and also to build links for your website. When you go to your blog, to log into your blog, the first thing you're going to do is at the very end of your URL up the top, you're going to put wp-admin. That's wp-admin. Now, I've opened up a second window with an admin here because I've already logged in to make this a little bit quicker. But once you put wp-admin at the end of your blog, you're going to see this screen. So, admin, enter. It'll refresh itself and this URL will change. And you're going to put in your username and password and click Login. Once you log in, you're going to see your dashboard. Your dashboard is basically the place where you're going to go that will have all of the tools and things that you need to use your blog. On the left-hand side under Dashboard, you're going to go to Posts. It should look like this, and if you mouse over the word Posts or click on the little drop-down arrow, it'll expand and you'll see new things that you can do under the Posts section. So if I go to Posts right now, it's going to open up and show me all of the current posts that I have in my blog right now. If you have lots and lots of posts, you'll also see a section up here that allows you to scroll through different pages. To start out, you're going to go to Add New Post. Once this opens, this is your dashboard for posting to your blog. There's several things that are important here. Your title, this is where you're going to put the title of your blog, the body of your blog, your categories, your post tags, and your publish button. These are the main things that I'm going to cover today. I'm not going to go into all of the extra things that you can do down here because they're going to be different from blog to blog, depending on the theme that you use. But these things are going to stay the same in nearly every single WordPress blog. For your title, depending on what you want to post, you can put anything you want. I like to use a keyword in the title because it helps with the search engine optimization. But I'm going to come and actually make another video for you regarding SEO and how to optimize your blog so that it will show up in the search engines, so I don't confuse you too much here. So let's start out with a really cool article about real estate. Your title can be anything, and you really want it to be something that stands out, is a call to action. It's basically going to capture their attention and appeal to their emotions, things like that. Those are things that are great blog titles that get people's attention. Once you've created your title, you're going to come down here and you're going to post your information. A lot of people like to come in and they like to write their blog post in a Word document so it's ready ahead of time. And I've created this one. I'm not actually going to really post this, but I'm creating it so you can see. So I have this information pre-done. I'm going to come over here. Also, make sure when you come in here that there are two tabs in the right-hand corner. HTML is going to be code, so you would put code in here. Visual is the one you want to be on. And when you're in visual, you can actually type your entire post in here if you want. You don't have to use Word, but a lot of people do because they are comfortable with Word and how to use it, how to bold things, how to make paragraphs, how to make links, and when you copy and paste, it will transfer right into the blog. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to paste my content in here. It did make it a little bit different, so I'm going to clean it up just by deleting these extra lines, which is common. Oops, just down a little bit too far. Alright, so what I've done is I've pasted my information in here. I'm actually going to clean it up a little bit more just by making these a little bit more conforming. There we go. Now it looks nice and neat. Now if I want, I can also insert a picture in here by using these tools up here. The picture upload is right here, adding an image, and I literally just have to click this button, and then it will ask me if I want to upload an image. When I upload the image, it'll ask me if I want to insert it, and it will tell me I can actually choose different options and different sizes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Select Files, and I'm just going to pick any image, upload it, and once it's uploaded the file, I can tell it that I want to align it left, which is going to nest it right inside the text, and I'm going to leave it at a medium size, and I'm going to choose Insert into Post. And you can see it actually inserts it very nicely. Now if I want to edit this anymore, I could just click on the picture and choose the picture image in the corner, and it allows me to do more settings. In this case, it actually is really, it gives you more vertical space and horizontal space, because if you notice, the text is really lined up real tight against this picture. So I'm going to, under the vertical space, give it a 10 and horizontal 10, and that actually will push and allow a little bit more space around the edges of the picture so that this text is not right on top of the picture, and that's an advanced feature. After I have my blog entirely set and I'm ready to post it, it'll be all included in here, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to address the post tags. Post tags is where you're going to add some keywords that go with the site. I'm not going to get too much into keywords, but this is where you might add a couple of keywords that go with this. If this is about, for instance, this article is a really cool article about real estate. So what might somebody type in that would be interested in the search engines, that would be interested in my blog post? It might be cool real estate, and so I'm going to type cool real estate in. And again, I'll go over this in more detail on how to actually research these keywords ahead of time in the next blogging. So I'm going to type in cool real estate, cool real estate article, maybe just real estate article. You want to be very specific, and or as specific as possible, but not overly specific. The keywords are important. So after you type in a couple of keywords, and you can type in up to 10, or more if you want, but usually I try to stick to 10 or less. Click on Add, and it adds your tags right here. Then up here, you're going to choose the category that this goes under. This is so if you're writing an article about short sales, and you add it to the short sale category, if somebody is reading your article, they can go to the short sale category if they're obviously interested in short sales, and they can go in and read the other articles that you posted under short sales. Now, one article can also be added to multiple categories. So it might be about mortgage guidelines and mortgage rates. So check the categories that it applies to. If there is no category that it applies to automatically, click on Add New Category and just make a new category. Whatever name you want it to be, type it in this box and click Add New Category. It'll automatically add the category and check the box. Once you've done that, all you have to do is come up here and publish. And once you publish, your blog will post it to your blog, and if you're hooked into Facebook, it'll also hook it and post it to Facebook and Twitter as well. In my case, I'm going to hit Save Draft because I don't want to post this live. But that's it. That's the end of the tutorial. I hope that you learned a lot and that you can replay this video as often as you need to learn how to do more. Thanks, and have a great day.